Hey guys, this is an unboxing video on a BiSSELL SPOTCLEAN PET PRO. It cost around about £190 from Halfords. It'll take about 5 days to come to the store generally because they have to order it. They don't normally have it on the shelf. You can get it from other places, but I prefer to buy it from a local store so I can return it if there's any issues with it. What comes in the box? Well, the stuff that comes in the box I'll just show you now. These are the components that it comes with. After taking out the tools, I can say they do feel quite flimsy. Oh dear, feels cheap, but I'm sure it's not going to break. This, however, is slightly a squidgier plastic, so if it does fall, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. I think these brush parts are oscillating rather than rotary, or it may need to be done manually, but there is a suction part, as you can see on the top here, a section there, a section on the top here. Let's bring it closer, and you get your liquid product for cleaning. So that chemical will go into the machine. Here's the cleaner itself. So this is the vacuum machine, the spot cleaner. Let's see how easy it is to open. Oh, okay, nice and easy. This is the water tank, I guess for clean water, and it does say here dirty water tank. Let's see how easy it is to remove that. Yep, very nice and easy, and I quite like the fact that it's a big tank. I do like that. And the weight of the product, I would say is around about probably about 17-18 kilos. So when it's full of water, it'd be around about, I'd imagine, 24-25 kilos. The brush head, let's see how that goes on. Okay, it's nice and simple, just plugs in. The feel of the product is not too bad. I wouldn't say go crazy with it, but it will do the job. You got 3 years manufacturer's warranty. I'm not sure if it will cover any parts, components that break. You probably have to take out an insurance for that, because the build quality does actually feel very similar to the VAX. The cables are very premium though, very long cable, I like that. I guess that would wind around here and here, and hopefully tomorrow I will do a full cleaning review and I'll give you my thoughts on that. I can see it has 750 watts of power. It does say powerful motor, having a slimmer head on it, so that's 750 watts pretty much focused on that. So I would imagine it will have a good amount of suction power, a little bit like the pneumatics. The pneumatics, I've never had a problem with them. I had one for 15 years, still going strong, but I bought this one as I thought it'd be a little bit more portable. Definitely easier to empty the tank as well. And I'll, especially for storage, I'll just keep it under the counter. Okay, so hopefully you will see a second video soon.